Hello student, good morning to everyone. Today we will learn about the very important topic in the HTML. As you look at the screen, there are the two type of lists are there. One is unordered list and another is ordered list. You are already aware about the ordered list and unordered list. I have already posted one video related with the theory part of the ordered list and unordered list. In that video, you are already aware about the two type of list, ordered and unordered list, that shows us the detail about both type of list. Out of which, firstly we will discuss about unordered list. As you look at the today's web page created by the HTML document, you can see here H2 is the second number of heading. We have already discussed about the different heading tags. So out of which H2 shows us the second type of heading tag, and we can write any sentence inside it. So I have typed an unordered HTML list. Whenever I want to show the list of items over the web page with the symbols, there are the different symbols with the unordered list. In the symbols like disk, solid, sphere, square, solid square, or circle. These are the type of UL, and UL type we can change as per our necessary. You can look at your textbook for different types of UL. So you can change the type of UL as per your necessary. Firstly, we will see the output of both UL and OL here. Here I have typed the different atoms like coffee, tea, milk. You can add your own different atoms which you want to display over the web page with the ordered list or unordered list. As per the requirement, you can change the type of UL and OL. I have already told about type of UL, and type of OLs are, OL means ordered list. You can display your atoms with the ordered sequence of the atoms. Means order means from lowest to highest, means you can give the numbering there with the Roman number also. You can give the natural number also. You can type 1, 2, 3 or Roman number 1, 2, 3 in the capital letter or small letter, or you can display the different atoms with the small letter of alphabets or capital letter of alphabets. As per your necessary, you can show your list of atoms over the web page. Many of the web page includes the different list of atoms. Atoms can be anything. Atoms can be a list. So there are the two type of list, out of which you can use any of the list or you can use both type of list whenever necessary in your web page. So for that, firstly see the coding. UL means unordered list. If you want to display the atoms with the list in with the symbols like square, circle or solid sphere, so that time you have to type UL there. LI is the different LI. Whenever you are inserting the different atoms, then before and after you should have to type a tag LI that will describe the different list there. So list number 1, list number 2, atom number 1, atom number 2, atom number 3. There are total 3 atoms. So that will be separated with the LI tag. So we should have to type LI. You can skip to close the LI, but by procedure you should have to close LI, you should have to close UL, up to which you want to display the text with the list. OL means ordered list, and you can look at the coding or HTML document code. For that, different atoms with the different list atoms are there that will describe the list there. So there are the 3 atoms describing 3 lists are there. So for that I have also closed the OL here. You can see every atoms has closed the LI tag here. From the 2 type of list, out of first list we have discussed very clearly. Second list we can give the type here. Firstly we will see the output of this program after saving the changes. So for that, Control S from your keyboard after changing something. I have already opened the file output, or just you can open from the original place. I have already opened the browser and the file has already opened here. That is, you can look very clearly over your screen. You can see this is the by default unordered list. You can see solid circle is there, and 1, 2, 3 are the numbers. These different numbers shows the list atoms, and list numbers we can change. So for that we will change the input and then we will see the output what will change here. So first we clearly look at the symbols. You can clearly look at the symbols, and right now I will open my coding part. For that, go to the notepad and change its type. So for that I will type the change type and is equal to, if I want to display the list with the square type of symbol, SQUARE is the spelling. Write the proper spelling here, that will shows the proper output. And at the time, at the place OL, here also I will have to change the type with the Roman number or ABCD, whatever you want. I just want to display the text with the Roman number, so I will type here the first Roman number that will shows over the web page. So after saving the HTML document, what will happen we will see over the web page. Firstly, look at the coding part and very clearly verify the spellings and After that, save the HTML document and then look at the output screen and just refresh. Here the output automatically changed with the given type. I have given square here, so after zooming the output, you can see squares, solid squares are there, and Roman number 1, 2, 3 has already display over the output screen. So I hope you already understood the concept of ordered list and unordered list in the HTML, and you will do the different practicals related with that. Just you can change the type A, and here I am changing the type with a circle. What will happen, we will see. And then save, and it will shows what changes made in the input part directly shows the circle here, hollow circle, and ABC small letter will be displayed at the list. These are the two type of list, ordered and unordered list. In the exams, exam department can be ask you any of the list or both of the list to type in the exam. For that, you should have to write properly the theory part and program part, whatever you have got the detailed knowledge about that. Thank you student for watching this video. Share this video with your friends, and if you are in some difficulty, then discuss me over the comment section or at the WhatsApp chat. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Okay, bye.